Minor shame. I love the head sculpt and the use of the Autobot logo on the chest. It's very nice, it's very present. The red is very nice, it breaks up the black and the white, the neutral colours otherwise. I'll show you some articulation. We do have a very good ankle tilt. Nice 90 degree, sort of 90 degree bend, but not quite. Thigh rotation, thigh all the way up and out to the side. Waist rotation on an aerial bot. Fans toys, take note. Friction out for the shoulders and at the side. 90 degree bend at the elbow. No wrist rotation, no opening and closing hands. That's a bit of a shame. And head articulation left to right. Can look up, can't really look down.